Oh my gosh. Let's open up some of my vodka that I have at home. Ooh, why is that so difficult to open? Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today we are making a cocktail, and this is kind of in collaboration with a group of other foodies and cocktail makers here on YouTube. We're using the hashtag drink tips. I'll also link all of their videos and what they're doing on their October drink. We are making a cocktail today. I'm gonna do a cool little spin on a cocktail that I love during the summer, and I'm gonna give it a little fall love, I think. Okay, today we are gonna make what I call the Chai Arnold. So, I'm sure you've heard of an Arnold Palmer, or maybe you haven't heard of the drink, but maybe you heard of the baseball player, golf player, some kind of a gentleman that used to drink this. Google it, I can't remember. Anyway, I like the drink, so we're gonna make it today, but I'm gonna add a little fall spin on it. So let's start by making and brewing our own tea. I'm gonna use 2 bags of chai tea, and we need hot boiling water, obviously. And we need to let this brew and steep, oh, I don't know, for a while, till it's not hot anymore. We want it to be pretty strong. I like brewing my own just homemade iced tea instead of buying the stuff at the store, because I can do it unsweetened at home and I can play with the flavors of my iced tea, like the chai. So typically an Arnold Palmer drink is just equal parts iced tea and lemonade. While I wait for this to cool down just a little bit more, I guess I need to tell you that you'll need whatever brew of tea, which this is the Chai Arnold, so chai tea, lemonade. You'll also need your favorite vodka, because this is a spiked drink. All right, if you waited at least 10 minutes, your tea should be good to go. I'm gonna pour it over ice, because at a 10-minute timeline, it's gonna be some strong chai tea, and get every little bit in there. If you're just making chai tea and want to make it into an iced tea, this is also a great idea. Just make a lot more. All right, let's cool that down even more. Get that ice all nice and going. Get yourself your favorite glass. I like to drink these in, what are these called? I don't know, tell me what these are called. Tumbler? No. It's like a whiskey glass. Okay, and like I said, we are doing equal parts lemonade, equal parts chai tea. Oh my gosh. Let's open up some of my vodka that I have at home. Ooh, why is that so difficult to open? And I'm gonna measure 1 ounce of vodka. Pick your favorite vodka, doesn't matter. Okay, we are going to add in, oh yeah, my lemonade is in a measuring cup because I didn't have anything else to put it in. So we're gonna add in our lemonade. Oh, this is so exciting. I always love making cocktails. And we're gonna top it up with our beautiful iced tea. And I poured it kind of nice and slow so that a little bit of that lemonade stays on the bottom, and it just looks really pretty that way. You do want to also garnish this with a lemon, which I had over there. And that'll look really pretty. And the only thing you have left to do is try it. Oh, I really like that. It's a very summery drink that I've just adjusted by using chai tea to make it feel a little more like fall. You do get a bit of that kind of spiced chai, but you get a little bit of that sweetness from the lemonade. So for people like me who don't technically really like a lot of sugary drinks, this is that perfect balance. And then obviously you should probably mix the bottom of it. You should probably mix it so you can get all the flavor. I just like the way it looked. Super simple, quick, easy drink recipe that maybe you just haven't thought of before. I hope you try it, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you check out all the other people that are doing drink tips this month on YouTube. I'll drink to that. I'll also drink to you subscribing to this channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.